Hello everyone, welcome to my take up. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you, all of you, for giving a huge amount of support on my first uploaded video. So, before going into the second chapter, or you can say the second video, I would like to say the RPA is for everyone and everyone can learn that technology. So the RPA is nothing but if you are doing a job which is manual and which is taking lots of time and which may be repetitive in nature. Okay, so for that particular job you can create your own robot with the help of the RPA tools. So what is RPA? So RPA is the technology that allows you to create a software robots, or you can say the processes for your manual task. Okay, so how we can build our processes? In this particular chapter we are looking into the UiPath tool which can help you to create processes, or you can say the robots, for your daily job. Okay, so I hope what is RPA is clear for you. Then let's go with the different tools in your market. So we have different number of tools in your market, but why we are using UiPath for this learning? Because first of all, I like UiPath. So I like UiPath. It means like the UiPath is good and other tools are bad. No. Okay. So see, there are many or several benefits and advantages UiPath is having over the other tools. So benefits in terms of the user friendly. If you observe the interface, or you can say the tool, the UiPath tool, you will come to know like the UiPath is easy to use. Okay, and we can develop the processes just drag and drop functionality. Okay, so we will look the UiPath tool, or you can say we can have feel of UiPath tool at the end of the particular video. So that's why I just selected UiPath tool for the learning so everyone can easily adapt. So what are the components of UiPath? There are three major components that we are going to use to build our process with the help of UiPath Studio, to execute our process with the help of UiPath Robot, and to monitor or like loop our process execution with the help of UiPath Orchestrator. So what are the career opportunities in RPA? So there are several career opportunities in RPA with the current industry, and there are several jobs like organizations are offering for the resources. So what is the demand for the RPA professionals? So now in the current industry, if you observe, like the manual tasks get reduced over time. So for the system, how we can reduce manual tasks? With the help of RPA technologies. So to develop processes for those manual tasks, okay, we are going to be RPA professionals, okay, to develop the processes for those manual tasks. So what are the certifications and trainings provided by UiPath? So we have like good amount of certifications available in UiPath, and also training materials available in UiPath portal. If you are looking for job in the RPA field, so there are several job profiles available, or you can say the job roles available in the industry. So it depends on your experience. So as per your experience, you can have job like RPA developer, senior RPA developer, RPA architect, RPA consultant. If you are going into the documentation part for the RPA processes, then you can have like the business analyst role. So there are several roles available in the market, or you can say several job roles available in the industry. Now let's go to the UiPath tool, actual UiPath tool. That tool is used for the development. So this is the UiPath tool, okay, so that we are going to use, okay, during our process development. Okay, so in the upcoming videos I will definitely tell you how we can install the UiPath Studio and configure the UiPath Studio. Okay, so let's like wait for the upcoming videos, and I am giving you assurance that the videos will be more funny, or you can say the familiar, to understand each and every concept. So thank you so much.